after understanding how to create the stamps. In our last session, we are talk about primary wall and secondary wall, flanges, extrude cut, round chamfer, etc. Now, this is our today's point to discuss how to define stamping on sheet metal part, punch types, dimple, lures, drawn cutout, bead, gussets, and solid punch. Take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. Is it over? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll see this step by step in the software. First option is a dimple. Dimple command is used to create the drawing operations. Circular draw or rectangular shape of draw or any ellipse, any other profile shapes you can create through a dimple. I'll open yesterday's product. So here are the punch groups. In the punch group, first command in it is a dimple. So for dimple, we need to create one profile. That profile must be a closed profile. Creating a rectangle here. Whatever the size is there, I'm not creating any parameters to profile. Now I'm going to the dimple command. Select this profile and reverse the direction. Okay, so this depth I'm taking here 16. Depression is get created. It's quite simple. Only profile you have to draw and the depression is get created. So what are the options in it? We will see one by one. First section we have selected, then dimple properties, define the depth, define the direction also here. Then if you want to use the tapered angle, define the tapered from here. Let's say it is a 5 degree, 10 degree. Then inside, outside, thick depth that we can define. So whatever the depth distance is counted from bottom face on the top face, that you have to decide if it from here. Then side wall material direction, inside or outside. So these properties are there. Then rounding. So if you don't need rounds, then you can off it from here. The sharp depression is get created. But during forming process, the rounds is compulsory. It is need to be on. round dimple edges. But if you see here, vertical edges are not rounded up. So for that, we have to use this second option, round section corners also. How much radius we want, you can define it from here, 3, 4, whatever it is. Then click on OK. Okay, so this is the dimple. Next, suppose the profile in the dimple command, I'm going to change to circle. Then what will happen? It shows one error. In earlier profile of rectangle, there are 4 corners or vertices are there. But for circle, how many corners or vertices are there? Can you tell? If I draw a circle for dimple creation, how many corners or vertices are there? Can anybody tell?
Infinite.
Infinite? Is it correct? Are you seeing any vertices there?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Anybody have a different opinion?
No, sir. No vertex.
No vertex. What do you think, others? There is no any vertex here. How many numbers of vertices for the circle? Yes, anyone? Hello?
Infinite.
Infinite. Sumit saying infinite. Jitendra, what do you think? Abhishek, how many vertices are there for circle? Kishan Patel, Pranav, can you tell for circle how many vertices?
One.
One. Pranav, what you say?
Circle is a circle is the entity which is made up of n number of points along its circumference.
So
It has
can you
infinite
tell
size.
numbers of vertices are there?
Infinite.
Infinite. Rishabh, what do you think? Huh? Zero. Shesh Sai, what do you think? Saurabh,
Sir, zero.
somebody says zero, somebody says infinite. Uh, Suraj, Sunny, Vishwajit, what do you think?
Zero.
Zero. The right answer is zero. There is no any vertices. If you try to select it, it will be selected continuous entity. So Nikita, your correct answer. There is no any kind of vertices here. But if you create a profile and we try to select it, then it shows the 4 vertices, one corner here, one corner here. But in this profile of circle, if you try to select, there is no any kind of corners. And due to this reason, it shows an error to it when you create the dimple. When you create the dimple, now because of vertices are not present, there is no any vertical line. Understand that. There is no any vertical line to draw it. That's why it shows the error. So what we have to do, simply uncheck this vertical rounds option. That's it. Direction you make it reverse. Can see that. reverse the direction. And if you active this round section corner, it shows error because there is no any vertical lines, there is no any vertices, that's why. So this is only specific case for the circle, so you have to uncheck this round section corner. Other things are the same. You can take it to size 20. You cannot exceed more distance, you cannot go beyond this limit of flange. Okay, it create a restriction, that's why. If it is no, there is no presence of flange, then you can take as much as length, no problem. It is fail for the flange. Okay, so this is what the depressions created. Click on OK. Clear. Next option is lower. So the purpose of lower is for the ventilation purpose. Okay, so I'm going to create that lowers feature. Use this command. Before that, create the profile first using insert sketch in task environment. Select this face, click OK. Draw a rectangle. That is a basic requirement of lowers. Draw a rectangle, define the size. Without size, this will not be run. That's why I'm mentioning the size. Some specific width is also there. Let's say it is 8. So there is a length and width proper relationship is there when you create the lowers. And one more condition is that while creating the lowers, where you want bend, then that side you have to define the rounds. So I'm defining the fillets inside the sketch itself. Radius 3.5. Here also I'm doing the same. Finish. So the sharp edge, what you observe there, that will be opened edge when you use the lower commands. Select the profile. Now see this message alert. What it says. Width must be less than half the section length. How many section length is there? It is a 50. Okay, was must be less than now. 5. Is proportionally you have to maintain that radius, otherwise the thickness will be not a constant. Okay, I repeat this process once again. We have to create it first one solid body by using modeling option, part modeling. Draw a profile, whatever the shapes you want. it is recommended to use plane instead of face. Then add a body from here. How to create the body? When you do boolean none, the body will be created. Then select this profile. I think profile is created but not showing. Okay, it is there. Okay, so it is the bottom side of this face. Okay, so I'm selecting this extrude. The direction is upward and downward also. So I'll take here -5. Second side -25. This become 5. If I take the 0 value, then what is the problem will occur? See from front view. This edge is not intersecting with the top edge. That's why the boolean will not be perfect. So it is properly intersected. That's why I increase this height. Okay. After that, ensure the body become none. Click on OK. Now this body is get created. Okay, if you provide the round here only, automatically it will consider round properly. Otherwise, no problem. You can directly create it through sheet metal also. Go to the file and select the sheet metal option. In the sheet metal, here is solid punch command. Select the solid punch and define the target face where you want to apply the punch. So this face I am selecting, and the tool body is nothing but this extrude feature. Okay, and if you see this preview, you will get the result. But as we discussed earlier, that radius become 4 instead of 2. Okay, and I want to open the faces also, just like the louvers. Then use the pierce face button. See carefully. Select pierce face button, and the face which you don't need, that you have to select, just like the shell removing faces. While doing the shell, where remove the faces, similarly here also unnecessary faces you can remove. I am selecting this bottom face. Now see this preview. Click OK. The faces get opened. So it is a similar kind of these louvers. While creating the features using user defined punches, and you want to open the faces like this, then click on the peer faces. So it will be get open face like this. So if you modify this again, edit with rollback, you can cancel out this selection also by pressing shift key and selecting it. Press shift and again select it. It will be deselect. Click OK. So this is about, sorry, this is about solid punch. So from dimple to bead and gusset, that all are standard features. Only bead required open profile, other all are required the closed profiles. But solid punch, we need a different body. Okay, so this is what about the depressions or the punches. So this is given. Clear? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So try to operate
Try
first
to
this
operate
command
first.
today and uh, create this simple part. I'll give you
सर डेट 22 चा पार्ट नाही ना काढला आणखी
काढला नाही काढून घ्या first do a command practice and then start to create the drawing.
सर गाईड करा की सर ते कसं काढायचं.
Just a minute.